Edin Efia Dragon no. E kwan ben e na efa so a unyan.
Enti no maybe okay, Dragon, mean show Dragon as a come show the enti maybe PM or social media.
Yeah, time on nti ye pese wo se obi hwa story de wo kana esisi so wadaroma.
Enti no Dragon I think say too much or Janka Town movie name.
Okay.
Yeah, me say acting. I started acting Okumasi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now started acting no.
I think say 2010.
2010. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And I need too much must start here.
No, enye ho.
Okay.
Actually, kwans na me back. It's na me chat series. Na me angasa me on my YouTube channel. Yeah, me chat short videos. It's na me mo ba ebe ye adwuma ma me. Nti na I think that one day bi na ye nam honom say ye din ankasa dey too much na de ma me.
Okay.
Nti na before no frame me din na me nti ase. Me ya na ebusa na say oh they nti na offer me Dragon and ono ase no omu say me obi a mani eden like me funny mama ankasa mani eden yeah of course nti me ankasa me tena ase a me hwe what I've been through no man kan obi akra nim no na me say yeah of course yeah nti Dragon ne dey akwa it say Dragon ya aboa bi a enye easy aboa bi na obetini defeat Dragon
okay
to dey obi puja ma you can't stand it
nti aboa ben na wo susu say that time no na when you dey to say sa aboa kro no because o ka say why would the aboa na badia I said that time I said Dragon aboa Dragon na o hwe say na ni so hye na
enye ni so hye but eni eden ye ka say eni eden enye say eni eden de kontokwa be eni eden de face life
okay
wu kra won kam obi nti
because ye de ye nim say enam minua be ma Avraham Ben Moshe so na ye nyina ye de be hu social media say ye wo fine sister bi a chere say anam Avraham Ben Moshe so a wa be ye superstar yes enti ye de nim say enam Avraham so because ye ti say na Avraham Ben Moshe na one uditi na one one wo ho and then later you hu say waja no ho I think say they trash cra on one dey call ye hu so assign dey call they trash ne ade eno so na ho asem ete say
no Avraham de nyom no de me call yanditi honestly or madam for pa yeah me ne ye te say enua they trash ne de me ankasa na me call honom yeah and bibi si o honom bia no and I think say eno de me ana me hye mande
okay
me ana me hye yeah there's nothing like or mama ni broken heart and no it's not like that
it's not just for a fun and I say no person or dey pie enu ntina na o mo yesa na say na mo person mo de Ghana fo adwini di agro na say no because e ho no ye person ye tie ase ansa na maba o question mo nsem bia o kan e san ko me de be come chikakra
but before then no na nkofo ni me dada o
I know but ye person ye hu say na wo ne Avraham Ben Moshe wo ne call out wo ne na call out da
no
but one kasa wo ba out abra ono ne ba ye obeka say wono ne wo ho no ne date ni ade one kasa so wo ba be gitu mu say e ye no kresa wono ne wo ho e mo no one kasa so won sa de wo ko date trash ni ade nyina
David date trash no me and I'm sorry call
one akwa but oto a wo ho
one ma ho social media
social media
bia no ye otena ni fie no ye wamba date trash ho no bi
okay it will be chiatum say Avraham Ben Moshe e na de wo ba lamlight ni
I don't think so.
I didn't know you.
Some man could date trash and all these things don't care Emma so.
But Avraham Ben Moshe any di kind of buy one no ba on my social media and I say yeah no me hu say Efia Dragon bi e wo ho and all of a sudden no udi e be poppy the whole world.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sesana open in there because before no na me medical ye sad and ankasa na me koye wo ho no.
You can never tell me say you can't tell me say sesana me peda because I idea that internet no so.
So when you go to Google right now.
Okay.
Obe hu say obo Efia Dragon na.
Okay.
Obe di kan hu ba ko a video ba ko a no say the same prank na no makowi phone.
Okay.
Eno di kan be trendy.
Okay.
Crans na me ko dey trash. Be di kan ye prank be is a tool sesen.
Okay.
And say be no na wa hu. Obeko Google eda ho. Say ombeka cho say Efia Dragon akowi phone. Ombeka cho say TikTok abi akowi phone. Ti na me wo TikTok ho dada.
It's na yes wo de wa adwene ne say. Uba na wo de yen no ya adwene abedi agro. Na de age udini.
No.
Na wo de yakoma.
No.
E di agro. Na say yen na e social media no. Yakoma na ekitaw se koshia. E na wo miemia.
Menche munche.
Cheme.
I think that my first prank am here no. And no dey me out of frustration. Or mo je me phone. E watch motor forest.
Okay.
Na me ya na me bo me dam. Me shedem kwa because na police need na one ye phone no.
Okay.
Me wo ha na me yem hye me say Ghana ye hu because the police need na ho kra tu. Na comfort me je me phone dey wi ase ye hu. Na yes me shedem kwa na me say obi to me. I was traumatized. Okay. And I said no, I want to change that topic no. Ma me nye bibi na e na me ye no so no. Me yes ade na me hu said ye nkrofo si fa no. E na me hu say oh me na me nim say wote ho a me nye obi a me dwene say obi time ne sa na ma no. Because the old time for what me say me need time for. Okay. But me yes I didn't who said there be you. Sa what ho a won ye hwe kro bit me time obi a woni mo kra me time because sa video me ma me nua na post ye. Me am yonko ma omo ko gu ni inbox e na eyo omo de say ase ye gu mani mo ase omo ko follow no on fa video for from bra and na say I was like really into say na you no ko pan say makowie bibi ampampa say na nka nipa be say me din ana and at the end of the day no e ma me hu omo be me so omo na me sere kwa say the last prank am here you know say me be ne ma bi so o me phone yi so am wetia na nsen ya me ne boy bi ye ba ko bi okay obi a me
there also wakuria wa deal say why bibi
boga bi o say ma be wi na laptop ne na se fe no de na ye boga
oh okay
obi a me ni obi atena se ya plan ade no ye de free ha me audio ne wa me bo am weti lady bi or outside the country boy ni send me audio na me ye ma hye me and someone lady ne ka ai onim nipa kora me makowia na ade no me wan so me ana ma plan o si nipa ne ye ni kunu a woni ne te na obegu mani mu ase de o de be ye me no na me se ade a me ma plan no am wa kire nipa kora me makowia na laptop no
but enti wote hwa na ba wotirim se plan bibi fa bibi bra a ebetimi edi udin no aba wo hwa na just aba wotirim se just I mean do something ade a enya no kre planning na ye.
Yeah, so me hu omo time ni omo pemasem. Yeah, because
yes, niema wo ye nyina dodo na eye ntro wo sheda.
Apart from me yare, bibie ni ho bi mama ya.
Efia. Apart from wo yare, bibie ni ho no ma wa beka a eye no kre.
Okay. No, say ade ye prank dey. Bibie amaye bi. You see, the thing is, bibie amaye bi ye prank bi. Anya say me wi a ka home. At the end of the day, no crane be babontin. Okay. Yeah. Bibi ama ye be prank. The first one, me anam sa babontin na mbekai. Inti no. Day trash ne so sa me ni Avraham na ye sa babontin e be ka za ya na ye hyehye. Bibi ani ho a ye jama na ka ho a e be hye nkrofo tinim say okay, enye no krebata ka nkrofo tinim no. At the end of the day, the message who no crane say inti you don't need to believe anything you see on social media, especially say ya sembonia because what saying is makoya de papa nka omo so sa.
Okay.